Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on something of what we got going on this week that we're going to hopefully tackle this week. Coming up on Thursday's video for you guys, and it is from Rokk Customs, a set of Rokk lights that we're going to be putting on the new truck, the LB7 Duramax, to start the build. I actually got these probably, I got them from them a while ago. I'd say maybe like 2 months ago, before I even had this truck. And I've been wanting, I can tell you right now, you guys, this is exciting. I'm very excited for this. I know I'm dragging this in right now, but I'm excited for this just because these are different. These aren't typically what you normally see, and that is, I can't wait for you guys to actually see them on the truck at night, see how they look, because I'm excited. The guys that do have these know exactly what I'm talking about, know exactly why I should be excited. I've never actually really been that excited about Rokk lights before until I saw these. So we've got two boxes here. It looks like they sent us right there, and a hat. Really nice hat, you guys. A red hat, man. That's something you don't typically see. Oh wow, that's gonna take some getting used to right there. I'll have to ask the wife if she likes the red. It's a very comfortable hat. And of course, inside the hat is a sticker. This will definitely be going on the toolbox. Yeah, this will go on the toolbox. Okay, so I'm gonna link a couple videos here, and I'm gonna roll a couple videos here of what these kind of look like for you guys. I'm excited about them. Panamax Pulling Team, they have these on their trucks. That's the video I'll show you guys right now. Now they say Rokk Customs, designed and tested in the USA, powered by Gemstone Lights, smart outdoor lighting. These are Bluetooth. It does have a little Wi-Fi signal on Wi-Fi thing on there. I don't know exactly what that is all about. Comes with a Gemstone hub controller, 12 bulbs, which would be the Rokk lights themselves. 1 foot extensions, 14 of those. 2 4-foot extensions, 2 8-foot extensions, 12 caps, 8 zip ties, and 25 Robinson screws. This is the first kit that I'm getting that comes with extensions in your kit. For this truck, I really needed extensions, and I had to order those separately. And I can tell you right now what I have on my black LBZ, I don't use anymore. I don't like them. The app, the software doesn't even work anymore. I would highly suggest not getting them. So here is what they look like on the box. Individual waterproof connections, unlimited combinations of colors and animations, Bluetooth connectivity, 3 LEDs per bulb. The Rokk Customs lighting system provides the ultimate in quality, flexibility, and upgradability. The Gemstone Lights hub controller functions using both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which is pretty cool. Get started by downloading the Gemstone app hub, found on the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. What? Little electrical work for me here. Wow, this is crazy. So the product is designed for fuel installation on and end product or the wall in accordance with the National Electric Code. Wow, interesting. So these are listed. Huh, interesting. All right. Seriously, guys. If you want Rokk lights, I haven't even installed these yet. I've never seen this before. I'm extremely excited about this. Separate drivers. Like this is interesting, you guys. This is really, really interesting. I will say this is not 24 bulbs. This is a kit. So I'm assuming this one is the one that has all the little LEDs in it. Collars. This would be the hub. Yeah. So Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Wow. I can't even express the quality that this is. Wow. Look at this. Check this out. Check this out. For anybody that's an electrician or anything like that, UL listed. Now, if you guys can tell me what Rokk lights you guys are rocking, no pun intended, that are UL listed, man, I guarantee you they aren't. Zip ties. These would be 4-foot extensions. They even label the extensions for you. A really nice label on this packaging. This packaging is super nice, you guys. I didn't think I was gonna be this impressed. Like, holy shit. This is nice. It's come with rubber seals. Man, wow, you guys, seriously, I know I'm rambling on. So here are those screws, 25 screws. They look like just kind of drywall screws. We're probably not going to be using these, to be honest with you. This isn't going to happen. I do want to try something a little different that you typically see, and I don't know if I can do that. I know, like I said, I'm rambling on, but man, you guys, IP65 weatherproof rating, UL listing. I didn't know this was what I was getting. I really didn't know that this was what I was getting. I saw them on TikTok. I love their product. I absolutely love them. I reached out to them trying to figure out how I can buy this set. I wasn't even looking to get a set, sponsored to the build or anything like that. And, they reached out to me. He got me these sent out to me probably a couple months later, when he obviously got his stuff in order, and I'm excited. More extensions. These are the 8-foot extensions, 4-foot extension, 1-foot extension, 14 of them, and they even label, your pieces in here. They label your pieces, how many are in there. Now this is what y'all are waiting for. This is what we're all waiting for. This is what I'm waiting for. The LEDs. The quality, I am going to, so far of what I've unboxed, I'm going to expect this quality to be nonetheless, but probably the best of any rock light that I've ever actually handled. Especially for the fact that they are UL listed, changes absolutely everything. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Here you go, right there. I don't know if it'll focus for you guys or not, but you can see the wiring inside. I really, really, really like that I can see the internal wiring of this system, because I think this is gonna look really good. I like that I can see this. I like that it's clear. This is way more than I anticipated, and I'm very excited. I'm going to do a really in-depth install on this for you guys, because I'm really going to focus on the proper way to install this, the right thing to do. This is just something on another level. I'm really, really hoping that the install on this goes just as good as how these look in person, because this is how it's going to look. I'm excited. I didn't think I'd be excited about rock lights, you guys. I mean, honestly, I was like, oh, sweet, sweet. I got to get these rock lights. I liked them, and I was excited to try them and buy them, but I didn't know exactly what I was getting. My other set of rock lights that I do have, I'm not terribly excited about. This is exciting. This is exciting. You guys need to be excited. I'm excited. If I'm excited, you should be excited, because, man, this is going to be awesome. I do want to open up this box yet to just see if I have 2 sets. If I have 2 sets, man, that would be awesome. I also want to reopen this. If I have 2 sets, if I have 24 lights here, you guys, that's going to be crazy. If this is the same thing, we got our work cut out for us. 24 lights we're going to throw on this truck. I'm actually going to have to I'll have to actually sit down and probably do a diagram and draw this out exactly how I should do this, because, man, this is going to be intense. Sure enough, look at that. Look at that. Oh, no. Sure enough, look at that. Wow. We do. So there's one controller for the whole thing. We have 24 lights. 24 lights. What am I going to do with 20? Holy shit, you guys. I'm going to put 24 rock lights on this truck. Oh, and not to mention, there's sequential lighting. Yes, you heard me right. There's sequential lighting. So make sure you guys stay tuned for this install. I'm going to be excited about this. I'm just beyond impressed with the unboxing. I can't express this unboxing enough. I am blown away by everything that I've just unboxed, and I'm excited. Stay tuned for Thursday's video.